Students, so let us see some more pattern. Number 1, number 5, 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5, and 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. Okay, so 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. So 7x minus 2y is equal to 5xy. Mark it number 1. And 8x plus 7y by xy here also will 7x minus 2y minus 5xy is equal to 0. So and 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. 8x plus 7y is equal to 15xy. 8x plus 7y minus 15xy is equal to 0. Mark it number 2. Okay, so students, seven x minus 2y by xy, 7x minus 2y by x, 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5, and 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. So what I mean to say is that students, this one also we will do by a far easier method, much easier than reducing one. Okay, reducing also you can use here. You can use the reducing one here, but without reducing only we will try to solve it. Let us see. 2 and 7 is 40. Equation 1 will multiply by 7. Equation 1 will multiply by equation 1. Equation 1 will multiply by 7. So 7 7 are 7 7 are 49x minus 14y minus 7 5 are 35xy. Number 3. 2 into 2. So this will become 16x plus 14y. 8 to the 16. Okay. 8 to the 8 to the 16, 7 to the 14. First one let me see. What I multiply with 7. 7 7 is 49, 7 to the 14, 7 5 is 35. And this one with 2. Then 8 to the 16, 7 to the 14, and 15 to the 30 xy. Market number 4. So 3 minus 4 will do. So 49x minus 14y minus 35xy is equal to 0 by 16x plus, oh, we have to add, isn't it? Opposite sides we have to add. 14y, 49x minus 14y minus 35xy, and 16x plus 14y minus 30xy is equal to 0. So we are adding, so 65x, okay, 49, 9 plus is 15, 5 1 6, then 14 is cancelled, minus 65xy to 0. So 65x is equal to 65xy x 65, okay, x and x is cancelled both sides, so 65 is equal to 65y. So 65 by 65 is equal to y. 65 by 65 is cancelled, y is equal to 1. Now very easy. Next, putting the value of y in 1. Okay, so 7x minus 2 into 1 minus 5x into 1 is equal to 0. So 7x minus 2 minus 5x is equal to 0. So 7x minus 5x, will become 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 2. The solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So here what we did, students, let us see. The question is like this. So we have to solve 7x minus 2y. 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. So xy cross multiplied. Okay, see. Xy cross multiplied. If this xy cross multiplied, then it will become 5 into xy will become 5xy. Giving it to the left hand side will become minus 5xy. Like number 1. And next one is 8x plus 7y. 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. Xy will cross multiply. So 8x plus 7y is equal to 15xy. 15xy will bring to the left hand side, so marking number 2. Now students, see here this now what I thought is that without reducing also this can be done, and that too in a very easy way. Okay, this is far easier than by reducing. Okay, because reducing you have to take u, again you have to convert it to x, isn't it? So here you see, so xy I am cross multiplying, it is becoming 15xy, and now minus 15xy I brought to the left hand side, it became minus 15xy. Then I saw that what is the coefficient of x here? What is the coefficient of x, students? What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 7 in the first equation, and here the first equation coefficient of x is 8. 7 8s are 56 will be the LCM. But here what is the coefficient of y? 2. Here what is the coefficient of y? 7. 2 and 7 LCM is 14. Which one is less, 56 or 14? 14 is less, so I considered that I will eliminate y. Okay, very easily. So now here in the first equation, what is the coefficient of y, students? In the first equation, I am saying that in the first equation, what is the coefficient of y? In the first equation, the coefficient of y is 2. In the second equation, the coefficient of y is 7. 2 and 7 LCM is 14. So I want to make 14 here. In place of 2, in place of this 2, I want to make 14. So with what number I will multiply? I will multiply by 7. So 7 7 is 49, 7 2 is 14, 7 5 is 35. Marking number 3. Here in place of 7, in place of this 7 students, here 7 is there now with y. In place of this 7, I want to make 14. So with what number I will multiply? I will multiply by 2. So multiply by 2, 8 to the 16, 7 to the 14, 15 to the 30. Marking number 4. Now, in the equation 3, there is minus 14y. In equation 3, there is minus 14y. In equation 4, there is plus 14y. So signs are opposite, isn't it? in one equation before 14y minus sign is there, in the other equation that before 14y plus sign is there. Signs are opposite. If there are opposite signs, then you just add the two equations. So 3 plus 4 you do, 3 plus 4 you do, then this equation plus this equation. When we are adding two equations, the lower equation, in the lower equation no signs will be changed. Signs will be changed only when we are subtracting. Okay. So 49 plus 16, see here students, plus 49 plus 16. 49 plus 16 will become 65x minus 14y plus 14y cancel, minus 35 plus minus 35 minus 30, minus 35 minus 30, minus plus, so it will become minus 65, isn't it? Minus 35 minus 30x minus 35xy minus 30xy minus plus, so 30 plus 30 35 plus 30 it will become 65, so minus 65xy minus 65xy you take to the right hand side, it will become plus 65xy. Both sides from here and here I am cancelling x, so 65 is equal to 65y. This 65 I am cross multiplying, this 65 is multiplied now with y, I am cross multiplying, 65 and 65 is cancelled, so y is equal to 1. Okay, now put the value of y, in equation 1. In equation 1 y is there, no? In place of this y you just put the value of y. So 7x minus 2y is there, in place of y you will put 1, so 2 into 1 it will become minus 5x, and y is there, in place of y I am putting 1. So 5x into 1 will become 5x. 7x minus 5x will be, students, 7x minus 5x will be 2x, minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to minus 2, I will take to the right hand side, it will become plus 2. This 2 is multiplied here, isn't it? If I take it to the other side, it will get divided. So 2 and 2 is cancelled, so x is equal to 1. So the solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Is it okay? Understood? Now students, the same sum I am talking about exercise 3.6, number 1, number 5. The same sum you can do by reducing also. 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5 is there, no? So I will take like this, 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. Now y and y is cancelled, x and x is cancelled, so 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5, mark it 1, or you can do one thing, 5 you can take to the left hand side only, minus 5 is equal to 0, mark it number 1, and one more equation is there, 8x plus 7y, 8x plus 7y by xy is there, is equal to 15. So 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15 is there, x and x is cancelled, and y is cancelled, so you can write it like this. So 7 by x plus 8 by y minus 15 is equal to 0, marking number 2. Now once again let 1 by x is equal to u, 1 by x you consider u, and 1 by y is equal to v. So 1 implies, students, 1 implies 1 by y is what? V, isn't it? So 7v minus 2u minus 5 is equal to 0, mark it number 3, and 2 implies students, this will be, okay, let me see the equation first. 7x minus 2y by xy, 7x minus 2y by xy, so x is cancelled, 7y and y cancel, 2 by x, isn't it? And here also 8x plus 7y by xy, so 8x by xy, x is cancelled. Okay, no problem. So here it is 7u plus 8v minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, then you can generally, how we solve, that way only you will solve. Okay. So see here, students. Okay. So here what we did is 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5, it is given to us. Okay, I am showing you how to do this same sum by reducing method also. But reducing method according to me will be little longer. If in the question it is mentioned that you have to do by reducing, then 100% you have to reduce only. But if it is not mentioned that whether to reduce or not, just simply plain solve, then you can do by any method, isn't it? Understood? Then you can do by what I showed in the, just before this, what method I used, that method only you can use and easily solve the sum, isn't it? Why to reduce and simply complicate so many numberings and all, no? So you see 7x minus 2y, 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. So 7x by xy, 7x by xy minus 2y by xy, x and x is cancelled, it will be 7 by y, y and y is cancelled, it will become minus 2 by x. So isn't it? See, 7x by xy, x and x will be cancelled, so what will remain? 7 by y, and here y and y will be cancelled, so it will become 2 by x, isn't it? And minus 5 if into the left hand side, it will become minus 5, mark it number 1. In the same way, students, it is 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5, and next is 8x plus 7y, 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. So okay, so below 8x I can take xy, below 7y I can take xy, I can take a lot, x plus y by 2, can you write x by 2 plus y by 2? Can you write, students? X plus y by 2, I can write x by 2 and y by 2, isn't it? So same way, just that way only we are taking. This xy I am taking below 7x also and below 2y also. Here also 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15, below 8x I am taking xy, below 7y also I am taking xy. X and x is cancelled, it will be 8 by y, and y is cancelled, so it will be 7 by x is equal to 15. Okay, so students, so what I did is that, so here 7 by x, so for your okay, no problem. So preferably we want to write the x first, isn't it? So 7 by x I wrote here, I wrote 7 by x here, and then I wrote 8 by y. Okay, so and 1 by x, what is the value of 1 by x, friends? 1 by x is u, isn't it? So 1 by x is u and 1 by y is v. So 7 by y means what? 7 by y means 7 into 1 by y. 7 by y means 7 into 1 by y. What is the value of 1 by y? V. So it will become 7v. So therefore I wrote 7v here. 7 by y, no? I wrote 7v. And 2 by x means 2 by x. How can you write 2 by x? 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x. So that means 2u. Isn't it? 2 by x means what? 2 into 1 by x. What is the value of 1 by x? 1 by x means u. So 2u I wrote. So therefore I wrote here 7 by y means 7 into 1 by y. So therefore it became 7v and it became 2u minus 5. Okay. And next equation, students, here 7 by x. Okay. So 7 by x is, once again, 7 by x, this equation I am talking about, is equal to 7 into 1 by x, isn't it? So 1 by x means what? U. So it became 7u. So 7u. And 8 by y, it became 8b minus 15 is equal to 0. Market number 4. So students, so you can do one thing. If you are getting like confused that here v is there in front and u is there here in the second place, here so u is in front, no problem. No problem. You can just multiply this full equation with minus sign. So it will become 2u minus 7v. Okay, this minus it will become plus, this plus it will become minus, and minus 5 it will become plus. Market number 3 now. And equation 2 implies now it will become 7u plus 8v, 7u plus 8v minus 15 is equal to 0. Market number 4. Now you can generally solve. Elimination method you use. 2 and 7 LCM you take 14. This equation you multiply by 7. This equation you multiply by 2 and solve. And then u and v's value you will get. From there you will get the value of x and y. Okay. Did you understand what I did in here? I multiplied with minus sign. Okay. Consider that I am multiplying with minus 1 on both sides. This side also I am multiplying all the terms with minus 1 and this side also. Minus 0 into minus 1 will be what? 0 only. And this here because I am multiplying with minus 1. So plus 7v will become minus 7v, minus 2u will become plus 2u, and minus 5 will become plus 5. Okay, simply you can solve these two equations and you will get the value of u and v. From u and v you can get the value of x and y also. Okay. So students, this much only for today. So please see these things carefully and try to understand. I have taken a little in a very explanative way. I have tried to explain so that it is easier for you to understand. Okay, so try to understand the topics explained very nicely and note these things carefully in your classwork copy. Okay, and this one is left incomplete for you all only. Solve it down. Okay, solve it, and in the last just before this only I solved the sum in a different way, isn't it? The answers must match. What was the answer for this? You see the answer, that answer and this answer must become same. Try to solve this on your own. Okay, okay then. Thank you. Take care of your health. Have a nice day. Bye bye.